Hello and a very warm welcome from us all here at Perrys Mansfield. I'm Mark Hayes and today's walk around video is this beautiful Hyundai iX35 2-litre CRDI style. It's a 5-door, 2-wheel drive estate, a combined fuel cycle of 51.4 miles per gallon, which is absolutely fantastic on a car of this size. There's 6 service stamps, serviced at 19, 24, 37, 43, 46 and 54,000 miles, and it's just been serviced by us here at Perrys. Tinted glass throughout, beautiful metallic silver finish. Let's take a look inside. No pet odours, no smoking odours whatsoever. Isofix child seat anchor points in the back to aid in keeping babies, children and toddlers as safe as possible. As you can see, the quality absolutely stunning on the interior. 6-speed gearbox for that brilliant fuel economy, heated seats, parking sensor control, air conditioning, FM, AM, CD player, which you can also stream your own music into the car using the auxiliary or iPod or USB connectivity. There's your lights, volume control and Bluetooth telephony control, a voice command there on the right hand side of the steering wheel. On the door there at the side in the centre of your screen now, we've got power to all 4 windows. Door lock for if you're in an area that you don't feel safe and secure. And we've got electronic door mirror adjustment. Airbags surrounding you, complete safety. There's all curtain side airbags all throughout, driver and passenger airbags. So travel along to see us folks, it will be worth your while. The car is a stunner and it's all ready to go. Not only that, it's been safety checked and prepared by our main dealer technicians. Not only that, there's award-winning customer service waiting for you as well here at Perrys Mansfield. Thanks ever so much for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.